Like it? Today on Shaniks Dreams. You like it? Y'all like it? Yes, y'all like it? You like it? Uh-oh, I can't record you. Okay guys, so we are finally moved into our home, guys. I am very, very excited, guys. I am very, very grateful because my parents, they helped us move today. And I'm just so grateful. I'm so happy that we are in our home, y'all. And I hope you guys enjoy this home tour, guys. I worked really hard to find us somewhere. Guys, for those who have been watching my vlogs and my channel, you know that you have seen all the things I've been going through trying to find us somewhere to stay. So I'm just very grateful we are here. And I feel like this was worth everything that I have been through. I'm so grateful. But anyways, now that I'm settling in, I can really take care of myself and get myself together. I'm gonna start looking a whole lot better than what I've been looking like, because I've been looking thrown off, y'all. But it's about to get better because God moved us in this place, and I'm grateful. I am so grateful. I'm just grateful for everything, guys. I'm just so freaking happy. I came up in here, my mom gave us some things for our place, and I'm just so happy. She gave us a good little bit of things for our place. It was things that we really needed, so I'm just so thankful for that. I can't wait to get this place together and really get settled in this place and really make it very homey in here, guys, because I love to make wherever I am very homey. I love the area that we're in. I love this apartment. It is so nice, y'all. I'm just so happy that we have a roof over our head. We always had a roof over our head, thanks to my parents for, you know, taking us in until we found something. So a lot of people don't have that, and I'm grateful for that, and I don't want to take that for granted, guys. That I don't want to take that for granted that they helped me. It was so many people that helped me. Like my family members, my best friend, she helped me, and my other friend helped me. I'm just so grateful in my family. My family and my friends came through for me, and my YouTube family. I appreciate all the prayers, y'all, because them prayers went through. They came through real good, and I know that God answers prayers, and I'm a living witness of God's grace. So I gotta always make sure that, okay, I gotta always make sure that I'm doing what the assignment that God intended me to do. Yes, I like it because it's a very safe place. There's so many amenities. I love all the amenities here. I love all the amenities in here. You guys are gonna see all the amenities. One of the amenities, not right now. One of the amenities that I did not include was inside of this tour was the car care center. I like that because you can use that, you know, to vacuum your car out. You can use it to put air in your tires and stuff like that. And you can wash your car over there. So I really like that they have that. It's a very nice and quiet neighborhood. It's not like, nothing like no ghetto stuff or nothing like that. And I'm just so happy about that. It's very nice out here. And it's a smoke-free community. It's keep interrupting me, y'all. But it's a smoke-free community, so that's another thing that I like about it. It's by a whole lot of different places that I can go. It's very close to a lot of different places, and it's very safe. So I can't thank God enough for that, guys. And I was so grateful that we got our keys Friday, but it's Monday and we are moving in. And I am just so freaking happy. All right, guys, be nice to each other. But Anthony was acting out when we was over my parents' house, and I could see a difference in him now. It's not easy when you have kids with special needs and you have to go and stay with somebody. They have to get adjusted to where they're living in. Not that it wasn't a good environment. It's a really good environment because my parents, they took very good care of us while we was there. So I'm very grateful for that. I'm just so grateful for everybody. I'll probably say that y'all probably can do a word count of how many times I'm just saying I'm grateful. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this tour and share this video out, guys. And I'm gonna put our registry in here very soon, so look out for that. And also put our P.O. box down there if you want to send something that's not on the registry, you can. But thank you guys for everything. Like it? You like it? Y'all like it? Yes, y'all like it? You like it? Uh-oh, I can't record you. Everybody, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're gonna do an empty apartment tour, guys. So right here we have, y'all see Anthony, y'all know this Anthony. We are in the living room, guys. And here is, you know, we got a ceiling fan in here, just like a basic living room. Right here, over here we have the kitchen. I like the, yes, I love the breakfast bar type thingy. I really like this. And right here we have the dining room area, which I think is a really big dining room area. I really love this, guys. And okay, so this is the kitchen, guys. We have these cabinets, all the cabinets. See? Got cabinets up here, cabinets over there. We have our stove, oven, and another countertop with some counters. But you guys catch my drift. We got a white refrigerator. I'm just playing. But yes, we got a white refrigerator. Nene, girl, we ain't got no, we haven't got to the black refrigerator level yet. Okay? But we're gonna get there, okay? Small baby steps. Okay. Where is the light for this thing? See, this is, I need to figure this out, y'all. So this is the laundry room, guys. It's, you open it from the kitchen, guys. You go in the kitchen. I should have had it closed. So you close the door. Then you open the door, guys. And then here is the washer, guys. Oh my gosh. This is a good washer, okay? I am excited about this. This is what made me more excited about the apartment than the second bathroom, which I think, probably so. Go, Anthony, because I can't have you on camera like that, buddy. And the dryer that matches, guys. Hold on, guys. Okay. Here's the kitchen sink. Aaron was already in the sink, breaking down, getting the sink. I'm glad because I'm glad that this is like this, that it got power outlets right here. Yes, I got my bestie boo with me, but that's who y'all hear in the background. I have me some I'm glad that they have these outlets because I do YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a content creator, so this kind of stuff is good for me. Okay, and they got the light switch over here and water. We got a dishwasher. I got my son in the background christening. I was trying to get him to do the same thing. But we got the dishwasher, guys. More cabinet space. More cabinet space. Y'all see the counter and everything. Okay, we're done over here. So this is Ashley's room, guys. Yes, sir. Well, let me give you a big view of it. This is Ashley's room. Oh, look Look at this. And this is her closet, y'all. She got a big closet, y'all. Look how big this closet is. Y'all know that's Anthony in the background. He got to make his soundtrack in the background. They look like somebody left a color pencil down here. But this is her closet. She got a pretty big closet, y'all. And I like that her room is across from the bathroom. See, you know, us ladies, we need that convenience like that. We need that convenience. So I'm really loving her room, guys. Ooh-wee, I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the boys' room next. So you guys stay tuned. So Antoine already got himself acquainted in here. This is the boys' room, guys. He done already got himself acquainted. Matter of fact, let me close these blinds because there's some crazy people on these YouTube streets, y'all. They be trying to figure things out. They be trying to figure it out, child. But anyways, this is what the boys' room look like. They got it. Oh, we all got ceiling fans in our room, guys, by the way. So it looks amazing in here, y'all. I love this apartment, guys. I can't wait till we come. We're not gonna stay here tonight, but I am ecstatic. I can't wait I just can't wait. I love it. But they have a big closet too. Really nice size closet. I love this. Really nice size closet. Guys, so this is the master bedroom, guys. This is my bedroom. Yay! So this what sold me with this apartment, guys. This is what sold me with this apartment, guys. I have a bathroom in my room. Finally, I never had a bathroom in my room. I never had 2 bathrooms. And this right here makes me so freaking ecstatic and excited, guys. So this is my bathroom, guys. In my mirror. You see this? Oh, look at this. I love it, guys. I'm so freaking excited, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I am excited. This makes me so excited. And then this is another thing, guys. I got my walk-in closet, guys. Let me show. Close it and open it. Yes, I got my walk-in closet. Yeah, I got my walk-in closet, guys. I am so excited about this. Okay? My closet is big and huge because it matches me. My beautiful, big personality. It matches me. Anyways, this is a very nice closet. Oh my gosh, it is huge. And I am loving this. See, a lady's got to have her space, okay? I can't wait. So I'm just thinking about one part. I'm going to put like my clothes, and the other part is going to be like a prayer. Like I'm going to make a prayer closet or whatever. So I'm going to really get this thing together. But I'm excited about getting this apartment together for us. I'm very ecstatic, guys. I'm very grateful. I feel very blessed. I cannot believe God blessed us this big. I'm just so excited, guys, and I can't wait to bring you guys some amazing content coming from this place, because it's going to be a blessing. I already prayed over my home, and I'm going to continue to pray over my home, and I'm just excited about this, guys. It's a very safe environment, very nice environment, and I'm just excited, guys, and it's more to come, and I'll see you guys on the next video.